Hi viewers, welcome to Full of Chemistry. This is Mubina. Let's start the video of part 2. 11th question. The unique C-terminal sequence of ER resident proteins of mammals is? The answer is option B. ER retention refers to proteins that are retained in the endoplasmic reticulum after folding. These are known as ER resident proteins. Their localization to the ER often depends on certain sequences of amino acids located at the N-terminus or C-terminus. Soluble ER resident proteins have very long lives because of their ER residency. Their residency depends largely on ER retrieval signals at their C-terminus. KDEL is the largest peptide sequence in mammals located on the C-terminal end of amino acid structure of protein. 12th question. In glycogen metabolism, which hormonal stimulation decreases the intracellular concentration of CAMP? The answer is option C, insulin. Insulin does this by promoting a net decrease in the extent of phosphorylation of glycogen synthase, the rate-limiting enzyme in the pathway of glycogen synthesis. One of the important effects of insulin on intracellular metabolism is its ability to stimulate the synthesis of glycogen in muscle and liver. Cyclic adenosine monophosphate is a second messenger, is a derivative of ATP and used for intracellular signal transduction. Question number 13. Quercetin, a cardiac glycoside, specifically inhibit which of the active transport system? The answer is option C, sodium-potassium ATPase. Quercetin is a cardiac glycoside that acts by inhibiting the sodium-potassium ATPase sodium-potassium ion pump. Once quercetin binds to this enzyme, the enzyme ceases to function, leading to an increase of intracellular sodium. This increase in intracellular sodium reduces the activity of sodium-calcium exchanger, which pumps one calcium ion out of the cell and three sodium ion into the cell. Question number 14. The torsion angles for a planar fully extended polypeptide chain is? The answer is option B, 180 degree. There are three main chain torsion angles of a polypeptide. These are phi, psi and omega. The planarity of the peptide bond restricts omega to 180 degrees in a very nearly all of the main chain peptide bonds. 15th question. From which fatty acid prostaglandins are synthesized? The answer is option A, linoleic acid. Prostaglandins are made up of unsaturated fatty acids that contain cyclopentane ring and are derived from the 20-carbon straight chain polyunsaturated fatty acid precursor arachidonic acid. The source of arachidonic acid include the dietary linoleic acid. Question number 16. Which of the following amino acids is degraded finally to succinyl coenzyme A? The answer is option C, methionine. 4 amino acids are converted into succinyl coenzyme A. They are methionine, isoleucine, threonine and valine are degraded by pathways that yield succinyl coenzyme A. Question number 17. Which of the following antibiotic is a potent inducer of hepatic drug metabolizing enzymes? The answer is option D, rifampin. Rifampin affected the hepatic drug disposition and metabolism, and it was a potent inducer of drug metabolizing enzymes. It is also an inhibitor which rapidly downregulates angiogenesis and mitogenesis related genes to target cancer cells. Question number 18. Which of the following detergent is commonly used to release integral proteins from its membrane? The answer is option B, Triton 100. The common detergents to extract peripheral membrane proteins include C12E9, Thesite, Bridge series, Triton 100, Tween 20, etc. Question number 19. When pH equal to pKa, the ratio of conjugate base to acid is? The answer is option D, 1:1. The last question in this video. Which class of enzyme catalyzes the oxidation of an alcohol to aldehyde? The answer is option C, oxidoreductase. Ligase catalyzes the joining of two components. This joining results in the formation of a new chemical bond. Lyase is an enzyme that catalyzes the breaking of various chemical bonds. Well, we have finished first 20 questions in this question paper. Let's meet with another 10 questions. Thank you.